Mean, median, mode, and range. So the definition for mean is the average, and to get the average you're going to add all the values that you have within your given problem, and then you're going to divide that by the number of values. So if you have 5 numbers you're adding up together, you're going to divide by 5. If you're going to have 3 numbers added up together, you're going to divide by 3, and that's going to get you your mean, which is the average. Median is the middle value. So that's literally just lining up all the numbers in order from 0 to infinity, and you're going to narrow that list down until you get to the middle, and that's going to be your middle value. But sometimes you're going to have 2 values, and if you have 2 values, what you're going to do is you're going to add those up together and divide by 2, and that's going to get you those 2 values to the middle of those values, and that's going to be your median. That's going to be the middle of the middle, basically. For the mode, that is your most frequent value. So if you have 3 ones in your problem and you have no other values that have more than 3, then that's going to be it. If you have 4, 4, 4, and then a 1 for your problem, 4 is going to be your mode because there's more 4s than 1s. So it's basically the number that occurs the most. It's the most frequent. And you can have more than 1. So your problem can be 5, 5, 5, and 8, 8, 8. And so obviously those are repeating 3 times. There's no other numbers that are repeating more than 3, so your mode is going to be 5 and 8. For range, that is the difference between the lowest and highest value. So this, it kind of goes with median because you're going to have your problem lined up from lowest to highest. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the highest value and you're going to minus it by the lowest, and that's going to get you your range. So this step's good to do after the median because you're already going to have all your values lined up in order. Plus, once you have them lined up in order, it's easier to find the mode because they're all arranged and whatnot. So that are the definitions of mean, median, mode, and range.